Well, here we are in the cockpit of 926GZ. This is my first chance at trying to use my GoPro camera. So we still have the cover on. It's kind of windy today, but if I was to turn on the master and I could turn on the radio, and you see things start to come alive. Here comes the Garmin 530 up. And we're just going to do a quick little test here of the speaker. The speaker would be, the cabin speaker would be right here. And if we wanted to get the weather, let's just do, we're okay here until May the 30th for our database. And we're okay with fuel right now, because we're not really going anywhere. It's way too windy today, as you'll hear from the weather report. Let's see what the weather report says right now for South Jersey.
Visibility 10. Sky condition overcast 6,000. Temperature 14 Celsius. Dew point 02 Celsius. Altimeter 29er. Remarks: thunderstorm information not available. South Jersey Regional Airport, Mount Holly, New Jersey. Automated weather observation 1600 Zulu. Wind 320 at 14. Peak gusts 23. Visibility 10. Sky condition overcast 6,000. Temperature 14 Celsius.
So you can see we have quite a bit of wind today. That was interesting. So here we are on the 530, and here's runway 26. So, and we've got some fuel in the plane. This is our altimeter here that gives us our altitude, and this is our attitude, which gives us our attitude for the plane. And we've got our HSI, which is also hooked up over here to our autopilot if we were flying. So, alright, we're going to shut this down and turn off our master. And then we're going to go back into our settings and switch back over so that I can turn off the camera. Going back into the GoPro mode, and we'll connect to the camera, and we'll shut down. Thanks for being with us today, and hopefully we'll be able to go flying soon.